Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Progress Unlimited. I'm really excited to share today's video with you. We're going to talk about one of the most popular self-help books ever written, How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. This book has changed millions of lives, and today I'll explain its main ideas in simple English. Let's get started. Have you ever met someone who seems to make friends easily? Or maybe you've wondered why some people are so good at getting others to like them and help them. Dale Carnegie wrote this amazing book to teach us these exact skills. The best part is that anyone can learn these skills. Yes, even you. Today, we'll learn the secrets to becoming more likable and influential. Let's start with something really interesting that scientists discovered. A famous psychologist named B.F. Skinner did experiments with animals and found something important. Animals learn better when they get treats for doing good things than when they get punished for doing bad things. And guess what? People work exactly the same way. Have you ever been criticized? How did it make you feel? Probably not very good, right? Carnegie explains that there's a big reason why criticism usually doesn't work. People mostly act based on feelings, not logic. When we criticize someone, they feel attacked. Instead of listening to us, they try to defend themselves. The person might feel angry or hurt. They usually end up liking us less. Carnegie tells us about two famous Americans who learned this lesson. 1. Benjamin Franklin became successful partly because he never spoke badly about anyone. 2. Abraham Lincoln stopped criticizing others after someone got so angry with him that they wanted to fight. Instead of criticizing, Carnegie says we should look for things to appreciate in others. Here's why. Everyone loves honest compliments. You can always find something good about someone. When you praise others, they feel good around you. People want to spend more time with those who appreciate them. Carnegie shares a simple story about this. He once made a bored post office worker very happy just by saying nice things about his hair. This small compliment changed the worker's whole mood. Your smile is like a free gift you can give to anyone. Carnegie tells an interesting story about this. An unhappy stockbroker asked for advice. Carnegie told him to just smile more. After 2 months of smiling more, people smiled back at him. His customers complained less. He made more money. He felt happier than he had in years. Scientists have found something amazing about smiling. When we're happy, we smile. But it also works the other way around. When we choose to smile, we actually start feeling happier. It's like a happiness cycle. Did you know that a person's name is the sweetest sound they can hear? Here's what Carnegie teaches us about names. Always try to remember people's names. Use their names when you talk to them. It makes people feel special and important. He tells us about some successful people who were great at remembering names. Jim Farley could remember 50,000 people's names. President Theodore Roosevelt knew all his staff members' names. Napoleon III had a special trick. He would repeat a person's name several times when he first met them. Want to know the secret to being a great conversation partner? It's simple. Be a good listener. Carnegie shares a personal story about this. He went to a dinner party and met someone who knew a lot about plants. Instead of talking about himself, he asked questions and listened carefully. The plant expert later said Carnegie was a wonderful person to talk to. The funny part? Carnegie barely said anything. Here's why being a good listener works. People love talking about themselves. When you listen carefully, people feel important. Good listeners make others feel interesting and special. People remember how you made them feel. Before asking someone to do something, Carnegie says we should think about why they would want to do it. Carnegie teaches us that winning an argument often means losing a friend. Here's his advice for handling disagreements. Try to understand the other person's point of view. Look for things you both agree on. Be willing to admit when you might be wrong. Stay friendly even when you disagree. He shares a story about a salesman named Patrick. Patrick used to argue with customers who criticized his trucks. After learning these techniques, he started agreeing with customers more. Instead of arguing, he would then talk about the good things about his trucks. He became the best salesman in his company. When someone is wrong, don't tell them directly. Carnegie suggests this approach. Start with something positive. Use gentle phrases like I think or maybe. Share stories about your own mistakes. Be friendly and humble. He gives this example from his own life. He once paid too much for curtains. When a friend directly told him he paid too much, he got defensive. But when another friend first praised the curtains and then gently mentioned the price, he easily admitted his mistake. Carnegie teaches a clever technique. Get people to say yes often. Here's how it works. Start with things you know the other person will agree with. Each yes makes the next one more likely. Build up to the important question. The main messages from this amazing book are: 1. Be genuinely interested in others. 2. Look for the good in people. 3. Think about things from other people's point of view. 4. Be kind and friendly. 5. Listen more than you talk. 6. Remember and use people's names. 7. Avoid arguments and criticism. 8. Give honest appreciation. 9. Smile often. 10. Help others get what they want. These simple changes can make a huge difference in your life, relationships, and success. If you found this summary helpful, please don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Progress Unlimited. We work hard to bring you the best book summaries regularly. Turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. What was your favorite tip from Dale Carnegie's book? Let us know in the comments below. Also, tell us which book you'd like us to cover next. Thank you for watching. And remember, being nice to others is the best way to succeed in life. See you in the next video. Remember these key points. Praise works better than criticism. A smile is your most powerful tool. Everyone's favorite word is their own name. Being interested is more important than being interesting. Think about what others want. Avoid arguments. Nobody really wins them. Be gentle when pointing out mistakes. Get people to say yes. Give honest appreciation. Stay friendly and positive. Keep practicing these skills, and you'll see amazing changes in your relationships.